Hey guys, in this video I will be sharing my top 3 tips for growing and maintaining a beard. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Glamorous Glow Up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and click the notification bell so you won't miss my upcoming videos. Now let's start with the first tip. The first and most important thing is just to grow your beard. If you are a beginner and new to growing a beard, don't be afraid when patchy areas form. You need to get through this stage. Your goal is to grow as much hair as possible until you reach the desired length. So, how can you grow your beard faster? There are a few things you can do. First, you need to eat the right types of food. Healthy fats and proteins that help your beard grow healthily include eggs, spinach, cinnamon, sweet potatoes, oysters, and liver. Other things that help your beard grow are exercising, exfoliating your skin, and taking beard growth supplements. Remember, there will be certain lengths or stages you won't like while growing your beard, but you need to get through these stages to reach the beard you want. The second tip is to trim your beard while it grows. Don't cut, just trim. Keep it styled while it grows, but don't trim too much. Keep it nice and long, and once you reach the desired length, shape and trim it. Always keep your beard neat. Number 1. Don't let the hair below your neck grow, you should cut it. Secondly, shave the hair on your cheekbones so that there will be a line from here to here towards the corner of your mouth. Get rid of all the hair above your cheekbones. Remember, once you get your beard to the length you want, all you need to do is maintain it and trim it occasionally. Some people think that when your beard grows, it will automatically look great. It doesn't work that way. Just like the hair on your head, you need to cut, trim, and style it. It's the same with your beard. You need to remember to trim it properly to fit your face shape. Get an adjustable electric trimmer for your beard. For example, I like to start short from my ears and let it grow longer towards my chin. And of course, you can try different beard styles. There are many: long beard, Viking beard, pointed beard, chin strap, long goatee, full chin beard, Van Dyke, or even Wolverine beard. There are more styles. Take some time, check them out, and enjoy your beard. The third and final tip is to use the right beard products. The first thing you need to do is avoid using regular shampoo and conditioner. Why? Because the hair on your cheeks and jawline is different from the hair on your head, and also your skin, that is, your scalp, is different from the skin on your face. So, you need the right shampoo and conditioner or softener for your beard, because it doesn't contain many chemicals and provides what your beard needs to look healthy, shiny, and soft. Right now, I'm trying a product called Best Damn Beard Balm from a company called Duke Cannon Supply Company, an American company. And the best part is that a portion of all proceeds is donated to help U.S. veterans, so you can feel better about where your money is going. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I will mention some other brands shortly. So the first thing you need is a really good beard shampoo and conditioner. And then, very importantly, beard oil. These guys I've been using for a while are quite good. If you don't use beard oil, your beard will look and feel dry and straw-like. Add a good beard oil and you will see and feel the results. It will look healthy, feel soft, and be easier to style. Speaking of styling, the next thing you need is beard balm, like pomade for your hair, but for your beard. Besides helping to style your beard, it actually benefits your beard because it usually contains things like beeswax, cocoa butter, and beard oil, which are good for your beard. For example, Blue Atlas beard oil. It is filled with vitamin and mineral-rich oils from grapeseed and jojoba seed. You will also find light argan oil, used for centuries to soften and protect skin and hair. But other quality brands you can trust are Honest Amish, Jack Black, and Viking Revolution. Take some time and do your own research. Now, if you want your beard to grow faster, check out this video here. It will help you. See you, goodbye, guys.